Hi everybody, welcome back. Right, on this episode we're going to be attempting to start Marc Drew's 1380 engine, which is I've just rebuilt for him. Mark's here to witness the occasion. Yeah, we've got all pressure, we've already established that. It's just over 70 psi on the starter motor, so that's all good. We just wired it all up, put it onto the engine jig, and we're going to attempt to start it up. So we're back in a sec.
That's for watering?
No, I'm going to put water in when it's run for, well, if it runs for about a minute, and then put water in it afterwards. Right, we're back. Got the exhaust on, got everything connected up, so here we go. Why are you not making a noise now? Battery's not the best. Let's try another battery pack. Right, we'd lost spark, so we've got it back now. So here we go. Let's try it. Come on. Bit squirty. Got all pressure. There's something. Right, another battery pack, I think. Let's try again. That's massive air leak.
Is that because it usually gets onto that pipe?
One sec. Right, let's try again without the air leak this time, hopefully. Right, we're just going to let it cool down a sec, even though it's been running about 20-30 seconds. put some water in it and run it for a bit longer to run the camshaft in. Right, here we go again. Put the exhaust on properly, filled it up with water, and let's see if it goes. Going to run it on now, just to run the camshaft in. That's it, ready to go back in the car. What do you think, Mark? Happy? Well guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Wrap it up.